Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Crypto Minder, another live session. We are going to be explaining what is happening right here right now regarding the Bitcoin price, and we are going to be watching, of course, everything regarding this. So guys, thank you so much for being here today, and thank you for attending this beautiful live stream. We are going to be explaining not only Bitcoin, we are going to be checking out other markets. Okay, we are going to be showing what is happening in the charts, what we are expecting, price targets, of course, and please just write down if you have any expectations, if you want us to see something together regarding the financial markets. And except crypto, we can also watch what is happening further on with the DXY. And if you have any kind of wonders, we can also start solving your questions and everything you want to know regarding the TA. Okay, it's gonna be a nice session, I hope. Please smash this like button, costs nothing from your time. For everyone that is here, it just takes a click, is far away. Is a click far away. So thank you so much for everything. We will start very soon. Just give me a breath, okay? So please gather together, smash the like button, and if you have some kind of questions, you can just write down in the chat. We can watch everything together. We can go through this, okay?
I'll go back to school for extensive training in ground school and in the simulator. We're required to get line checks periodically, and also required twice a year to get medicals to prove that we're medically capable to fly.
Welcome everyone, welcome. Tonight we are gonna be watching everything about Bitcoin price. We are gonna be of course sharing this very nice content, very nice TA we have right here. What do we expect for Bitcoin, the weekly close? Okay, so let's go directly to the weekly chart. As far as we can see right here, what is happening in the big picture, and this is what is the most reliable chart, I would say. What we should see, guys, this bearish divergence, this should be breaking to the upside. This is what the weekly close should show, especially for the next week. We should see this breaking to the upper side without getting faked out, and this is major. This is what we are stressing about, because if, guys, we are gonna be touching this upper side again and then reversing to the back side, to the downside, then for sure this is not gonna be great news. This consolidation area should somehow pay out either the bulls or the bears in the end. Okay, so this is what the big time frame is showing right now. This is the most clean answer we should have right here. And what I'm expecting is that we are in a good way, guys. Okay, we are in a good way. We are back, okay, fighting the support of the 0618 on the bigger time frames from downside if you guys are shorting, or 0382 in case we are longing. Depends how you pull your fibs, guys. Very nice. Okay, bad thing though is that right now we either getting rejected on the 618 level on the upside, and this is the most dangerous thing right now. So we are testing this level, guys, here. But the whole thing right now is that we should break this. We should break this, the 0786, so we can go to the 0618. This is what we are watching for right now. We cannot anymore consolidate in this area. We should either decide either another leg to the downside and then all the way up. But of course you see that the support lines right now, okay, the support lines right now, they should hold. This is the biggest, the most major support you should watch down here. So that's what I'm watching right now. It's the most dangerous area. In case we come and break to the downside, this is an end game. So you are telling me that you could ask me that, do you think that this can take us all the way down for a bear market? Well, guys, I'm gonna be replying this, but I want your opinions, okay? After you like this video, just write your opinion in the chat if you believe that we go in a bear market or in a bull market. I'm gonna be also replying to this. And the biggest scenario right now while we are watching is that we should come and break this to the upper side. So this is the next major step we are gonna be watching. If you are guys going back to the Bitcoin futures, okay, the CME here is in approximately 48,390. So literally right now, even if the UTC close, okay, on the weekly chart will come with the 48,000, approximately 48,000, where we are right now, okay, you are watching right here, is not so big deal. In case we are opening at the 48,000, the gap is very small, it doesn't really count. Hello Christopher, thank you for being here today. What I'm watching right now is the fact that we have very nice bullish divergence to the downside, that they have been paid out right now. Until this level we have paid out divergence. The most insane thing is that we have been holding this major support perfectly, and the chart is showing us the way where it goes. So that's a good thing. We can either trade this consolidation area, but of course we should break to the upper side, and then we should also pass through this green level. So I mentioned as well that the 14th of November is a day to watch. Why is that? From many different points of view, you can see right here, guys, that that this level right here is the X point. So I am watching this because all the data are taking me for this specific area. I have been analyzing why, And I am saying to you guys that this is the most major point right now to watch. 14th of November should be at least the 61,000 played out. What if this scenario doesn't get accomplished? What is happening if 14th of November we are not right there? If 14th of November we are not right there, this means that we have been choosing the other direction to the downside. Does this mean that we are gonna be all the way down? Well, that's what would happen 90% in case we don't follow this trajectory. So it's literally amazing resistance line right here, literally impossible that we shouldn't follow this path right here. The big picture though is also showing that this should be okay, since this one should be the level 2 to watch, then we should search for the level 3 right here. Okay, support line, okay, perfect support line right here, very clear in case we break to the upper side and we are reaching right here. Very nice support line to watch. Okay, well, the most bullish scenario, would you tell me that, okay, so if we are reaching here, we are in a bull market? Nothing makes it bull market. There are only two things that they can show you bull market. Only two things. I wouldn't even be confident enough in case we are sitting down here making new all-time highs. This is the one option. Okay, so if we come right here and we see all-time highs happening in this case, so that's the whole thing. And the first and most major continuation for me for Bitcoin right now is after we break this resistance point. Okay, so if you break this resistance, I am screaming about this the last 1.5 months, I think. So I have been screaming from down here, I am not bullish until we break this resistance line. You can go back in time, watch all my videos speaking about it. I'm saying that, guys, watch carefully this resistance line. If this will break to the upper side, we are in a bull market. This is the next major step. If this breaks, then I'm watching bull market targets. So I'm gonna be trading as we are in a bull market. We are not in a bull market right now. And you are telling me, so you say that we can break to the upper side and then break all the way down. Guys, come on, look at this. It could be literally a double top pattern, okay? And it doesn't really help the fact that on the 5-day chart right here, I'm gonna go into the BLX chart, okay, and I'm gonna be pulling out the Gaussian channel. And this is the truth. I have nothing to hide. We are back in this green area zone that doesn't really help. Every time we've been breaking, touching the other line, like it happened right here, coming up, this is bear market signal. So this doesn't look great. Since we are in the green area, back in the green area, let's be more clear, this is not looking great. We should be breaking to the upper side of this Gaussian channel. This is one thing to watch, okay? So every time we have been back in this Gaussian channel green area, it doesn't look great at all. So this is one thing to watch, guys. And of course this is one of the factors that we should watch. It's not me that speaks, is pure TA. This is pure TA. One good thing to watch right here on the 5-day, okay, you look at this beautiful, okay, bearish divergence are about to break to the upper side. What is the thing we should watch right here? This one. So guys, we have to see this breaking to the upper side, confirming, or I don't know what we should see. We should see this breaking to the upper side for sure, but we should see a kind of confirmation and not a fake out scenario. So this week, the upcoming week, and the close of the next week are going to be major. The next week is going to be major. How does the monthly looks like? Okay, so let's go right here. The monthly is looking great to the downside, guys. That's a good thing. The monthly looks great. I'm staying bullish on the monthly. Okay, it looks very good. And for our good, this has been beautifully breaking this kind of bearish divergence. Okay, so I'm saying to you that the facts are actually showing bullish and bearish in many ways. Why all of this? Many people are wondering. They tell me, so what does it mean? Are we in a bull market, bear market? Should we buy Bitcoin? Should we buy Bitcoin right now? I'm telling you guys, for me, there is almost no chance that we are going under 24,000 Bitcoin. And why that? Even if you go on a bear market right now, okay, it shouldn't go lower than this kind of levels right here. So why I'm saying this, there is not enough power. Like there is not enough power right now to take us all the way up, it's not enough power to take us all the way down. The market with small steps should take us in higher or lower levels at the begin, so we can collect some power to continue to the upside or the downside. And there is not enough power to take you for sure to the downside right now. Why in the world is this happening? We are in a range territory. You should understand this. I'm screaming about this, okay? Bitcoin right now is pumping, okay? Bitcoin right now is pumping. So the next level we should watch right here is the 51,328, and this is the 0.618 on the daily chart. If I'm gonna pull out this thing, but this is leaving right now a gap on the downside. Okay, this is leaving a gap on the downside. I'm not convinced about this kind of pumping right here right now. I'm not so bullish regarding this kind of pump right now. And you will ask me why you're not so bullish, because it's gonna be a gap between this price and the 48,400. So yeah, it's already like kind of pulling back, and this is kind of expected, I would say. I'm not saying that it does have the power to go all the way up, because why? The most bullish thing right now is that we are breaking to the upside on the weekly chart. So this would be a very nice closing of the week. Okay, so the thing is that I'm turning bullish for the weekly close, but for the short term I wouldn't say that. So that's the whole thing right now, because tomorrow, yeah, the price is already pretty much pulling down. We could easily see this at the 48,400, but it's gonna be a very nice weekly close is what we need to break, especially like here on the daily. You see we have very big resistance point, okay, up here at the 65, for the RSI, and this is the major level for the RSI on the daily. Let's pull this out so you can clearly see what is happening. So if I'm gonna pull this to from the downside, so you can also see the divergence on the downside, it's gonna help us out maybe to reach on the daily, but the weekly is what matters right here. So could this be like a kind of break to the upper side? Yes, in case we are breaking this and we're closing over 49,500 as far as I see, is going to be a very nice leg to the upside. Okay, so this is very good for the next week and the upcoming weeks. So I see some people stressing out about XRP. We are gonna be also mentioning we are gonna do real TA. I haven't been there yet. We are analyzing Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna take everything step by step. So guys, please don't try to get on the sheep right now for Bitcoin, not because things are very strange right now. Okay, we have been breaking on the 1 hour chart this triangle. I've made it from before, so we broke this to the upper side. This is good, but either you have to wait for a confirmation, a very nice confirmation right here, so you can trade that. It's looking very nice, but at the same time, because it's the end of the week, I wouldn't jump in a trade right now. This is not mature decision. Okay, even if this is gonna go all the way up, you don't know if it's going to reach today or tomorrow, because the thing that is happening on the weekends is that when the gaps are happening, the market is reversing back on a Monday, okay, to cover this kind of gaps in between. And because the big whales don't get the opportunity to get on board, okay, then they pull down the market so they can jump in the next leg up. So don't do this kind of moves right now, and this is not a financial advice, of course. Do however and what you feel for your own trades. I'm here to tell you what I believe, but my personal experience showed me that this is not good decision to jump on the sheep right now. Guys, please just like this button. Takes nothing from your time. You are here with us. Thank you for being here. Just like this button. It's really nothing. Share it with your friends, and I hope this content is really helpful. And we are gonna be also going deeper after a small breathe, okay? And see you very soon. Just gonna zip some coffee. We are coming back further on. So we are back, guys. As far as I see right here, okay, the major level to watch right now is the 49,654. This is the daily pivots. I wouldn't say that we are able to reach more than 49,900 tonight. So why I'm saying that, I haven't I haven't seen pivots breaking so far. The volume is not looking crazy. So the volume right now is helping me to understand that yes, we should see further on going to the upper side, but there's not enough power to take us further than the last daily pivot. And this is a very nice indicator. If you guys know how to watch actually the CPR lines, they are really helping for you to understand where we are heading. So the daily pivot, at least for tonight, is taking us to the 49,688. I don't see any further price action over this level, maybe to 49,900. This is all I see right now for this imminent move. That what happened right here. I have been on a long trade from all the way down, and this is a very nice trade I took from all the way down here. And guys, of course, if you want to start trading as professionals, okay, we have to focus on the knowledge. So if you guys want to get educated, the Crypto Miner Academy is right here. Okay, so if you want guys to trade as pros, you can go on the cryptomineracademy.com/academy. You can get your personal instructor. Start straight away within 40 sessions. We are promising you very nice results. Okay, so what I want to tell you guys is that you have to get educated to reach the point. You don't need any kind of person telling you what you should do, okay, to trade as a pro. So what I mean, if you are sitting down watching whole day videos on YouTube, you will see so many conflicts. Some people will tell you the price goes up, some people will tell you the price is going down. Guys, the money is yours. You should handle your own money. Don't hang from anyone's opinions and stuff. I say this, and maybe I'm going against myself, but stop doing this. Stop believing that the market will go up because someone said it. I am not speaking for myself. I speak about the chart, guys. The chart is the only thing that they will tell you, that is gonna tell you the truth behind. There is no fundamental analyst that will tell you any kind of truth. Many people manipulate the market. Many people take your money and put them in their own pocket. Stop doing this. Stop listening to people that they try to manipulate markets. And since you don't know who they are, educate yourself. Yourself and your brain is the only thing that can give you the awareness of doing something. The trading and how you are trading with your own knowledge is the only thing that can take the emotion far away. Okay, this is the only thing that can take the emotion far away. The one day you wake up you're bullish, the next day you wake up you're bearish because you are listening to 1 million opinions. That's not right. This is gonna kill you guys. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, so what I see, as far as I tell you right now, 49,678 is a major level to watch. We are getting rejected at the third pivot, the daily pivot of today. This is not random. 49,112. This we got it almost to the dollar. This is not random. So the pivots are is an amazing tool. You should watch right here, right now. let's pull out, okay, the weekly pivots. Let's go back to the bigger time frame, because we cannot stand and watch all the time the small time frames. Really doesn't help anyone, especially the psychology. Okay, if you are on board already for a trade, maybe you should start taking some profits already. So depends what kind of profits this gives you. Of course, this is not a financial advice either. Okay, so let's go a little bit the weekly pivots right here, so we can pretty much understand in which kind of level we are right now. So the whole thing that is happening, okay, let's pull this out. So we have been breaking the green upper side pivot. That's really nice. This is the first pivot you are watching right here. It's really nice, and we are heading to the second one. This is going to change tonight, because this is coming. It's coming new week right here, and as far as you can see, the 0618 on the daily right here is also a pivot. So this is not random. This is not random. This is not random either. And you will ask me, so what, could we have a weekly close up here? That's not what I expect right now. I am based on the daily pivot right here, and there is not so much power as far as you can see. I don't think this is gonna take us all the way up here. Even if it does, that's really far. 54,000, 55,000. Sorry, that's the second one. 51,293. So that's not. Of course, it could be realistic. There are, like, as far as I know, on the weekly time frame, let's see right here, is the 5 hours and 48 minutes left. So it would be more possible for me to see a kind of retrace very soon to the 48,400, 48,200, and we see final weekly close to approximately this price. Even 49,000, it's fine, but we should see a kind of close to the approximate this price. Otherwise, tomorrow we are going to have a kind of retrace right here. Okay, so we are gonna be watching a little bit Ethereum after all. I hope, guys, you like this session. Please like this, smash this like button. Cost nothing really from your time. I don't think that it's something difficult right now to just smash the like button. Thank you so much, and let's go for Ethereum. Prepare a little bit. Welcome everybody, welcome for a nice session. We are back in here every Sunday. We are doing this very nice session. So we can see the weekly closes and of course what is happening in the financial markets. As far as you see, Bitcoin is pulling down 48,600 right now. Bullish things, a bullish breakout for Ethereum right now. Wow, this is actually insane. We are breaking this blue median line as far as you can see right here. That's really bullish. Okay, this breaks to the upper side. I want to see this breaking very nicely for a major, very nice breakout. What is going on right here? You can see, guys, how the charts are not lying. Okay, so I've been pulling this for a reason, this line right here. And it's not something I design now. This is made a long time ago. The 4,654. This is the level I've been watching for a very long time. As far as I remember, it came from multiple ways of proof. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna pull it out an AB equals CD scenario. Why? This looks like a bull flag right here. Bull pennant, bull flag, you can call it however you want. So this broke to the upper side. Could this take us very far? Yes, it could take us very far. Okay, so let's pull this out. Yeah, the level to watch is the 5,140. So is this major? Yes, it's major. It's major. This is an AB equals CD scenario, I repeat. But we have to also follow up. So what would happen if I'm gonna pull this line? Wow, okay. That's what impresses me most of the times inside the TA. Okay, so as far as you can see the big picture right here, okay, the big picture on the daily chart. This is coming in perfect alignment with the AB equals CD scenario. And what I would do at this moment right here, I would come to pull some fib levels at this point. So I'm gonna take in the swing high to the swing low, and you see that the 1382 is one more factor, okay, holding us under this resistance line. So this is the X point. Okay, let's call this X point. Why I'm calling this as an X point? First of all, reject the 1382. Second of all, AB equals CD scenario. Third of all, insane resistance line pulling out. As far as you can see, we have 3 points, 3 targets showing us the same price target. 3 ways of counting. Okay, so could this also give an explanation of when we are reaching right here? Yes, yeah, it could. Okay, so the AB equals CD scenario is saying 42 days. This says 42 days left to reach at this point. Could this be so realistic that we are reaching up there? Well, let's see what the RSI has to say. Let's see what the RSI has to say. As far as I see right here, we had, let's go on the weekly chart. Yeah, so let's see right here what is happening. We have this bearish divergence pulling, okay, and this bullish divergence on the other side. So what does this say? What does it say? This is the end of the triangle. Okay, we can count this as well to see how far this takes us. This is gonna show us as well, okay, a price that we are a time period of time that we are expecting a breakout. So within like 28 days, this is what it says right here, because we never end up to the corner, okay, to the side of this triangle. We never end up there. So this is telling us, is counting the period of time that is left, okay. Those are the secrets of the market. So let's go right here. It says 28 days. Let's take 28 days from here. 28 days. So this is taking us all the way up, okay, to this level. This is the 28 days. So I'm gonna be pulling this between 28 days and the last place we said we should have this price action actually playing out. So what does it showing? That the 4,906, okay, the 5,006 as far as I remember, is giving us pretty much same trajectory right here. So we could see this breaking to the upper side, and we should see a kind of scenario at this point. So let's pull this again out. Is there just a moment, please? We should going to lower time frames to get a better result regarding these points. We have to clean up the chart, so we make everything clear right here, taking previous supports. So what's the whole thing right here is that, as far as we see, this is taking us to the 1382. Yes, it's the 5,300. So it's between this AB equals CD scenario and of course the AB equals CD playing out, the fib level, okay. So this is the 4,900 and the 5,288. I'm gonna be drawing here a very nice rectangle that proves what is going on. Let's make it a little bit better. So this is the green area I'm gonna be holding as a major resistance point. This is the major area that I'm expecting right now for a bullish scenario after we break this to the upper side for Ethereum. This is the green area I'm watching right now for Ethereum on the higher time frames. Let's go down on the 30-minute chart to check what is going on right now. Very nice. We broke this to the upper side. We should see this holding. Right now we are testing this up, the resistance line for once more, and we should see this breaking to the upper side very soon. There is not so much volume though. This is not looking so great. It's pretty similar scenario with the Bitcoin price, and this triangle pennant broke to the upper side. We most likely want to see this confirming so we can continue further on the upper side. Okay, so I see many people asking for different coins right here, and we are going to be going through XRP, but I cannot promise for EOS. Okay, we have like some time as well that we cannot go over that one. So we should see this confirming. We should see this confirming upper side, confirm all the way up. Okay, so major levels to watch right now. Okay, we have a cup and handle formation at this point. It's very clear. Okay, we have this cap and handle playing out most likely, as far as you can see right here. And major level to watch. Let's see where this takes us. I'm gonna be counting this side and confirming after we break this upper side to the approximately 4,156. This is the level I'm watching right now. After I am gonna be also checking out the swing low. Yeah, is the 4,076. This is the first price target I'm gonna be holding for the short term. Okay, the 4069 I put right here. This is a safe profit I would be taking. Could I come at the 3700? Yes, this is also a major step, major level to watch right here. And let's also check this out. It's going to take you just a moment. 3900, 3800, 3900 is going to be another green area of taking profit in case you are already in a trade. Because guys, let's be honest, it's not a good time for a trip to the upside right now, only in case you are guys trying to trade this kind of pennant with confirmation to the upside. Okay, so this is what I should watch right here. So if you are guys trading this thing, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not kind of bull flag trader fanatic that goes on the train at this kind of levels. I'm not doing that. This is a parabolic move that should calm down before the storm coming. Okay, we are gonna be also going back to XRP, and of course we are gonna be explaining what is happening. We are gonna be also checking a little bit the DXY, going directly to XRP afterwards, and let's take a breath and coming back. Welcome everybody. We are gonna be speaking about XRP is the time. So guys, before we start, just smash this like button. Thank you so much for being here today. Very nice closing week session. I hope you guys like the content. Please like this button, costs nothing from your time. It's just a click away. Okay, so as far as you can see, we are getting rejected right now. We should break this to the upper side, so we start getting kind of bullish on XRP. Otherwise, this kind of formation will take us all the way down. Where this is the major level to watch, the 0.72 in case of a bearish scenario in the shorter time frames. But of course, if we are breaking this to the upper side right now, this 0.5 level, the 108, then there are major things watching out coming. Okay, this is going to be technically a bull flag scenario breaking to the upper side. So but what is the next level you should watch? This is the 1.48, the 1.427, and this is the level that I am trading in case this breaks to the upper side on XRP. There are bullish divergence. It's a very nice breaking right here to the upper side, so that's very bullish on the daily chart. It's looking great, but right now it's showing like we are kind of getting rejected at this point. So it is going to retrace, touch the downside, and most likely confirm this support line on the other side. Then I'm turning bullish because I'm pretty sure we are going to be breaking to the upper side. But if this is going to break to the downside right here, there's nothing else to watch than this line at this point. This is on the daily chart, guys. Okay, so this is the next level I should watch on the downside here. And of course, it doesn't mean that I'm bearish, but I'm not. The fake out points are not bullish at all. So yeah, this could be a bad news. It could be bad news for XRP if we break again to the downside of this support line. Okay, so let's watch what is happening right here. As W that broke to the upper side, the level is not accomplished yet, where we should be taking profits. Let's see this on the downside here. No, it's not accomplished. It could easily reach to the 1.15 level. So this means we broke to the upper side. Could this level take us all the way up like this? Yes, it could. This is 1.15 exactly. So this bull flag formation could easily not even be broken to the upper side. So this still keeps us in a trajectory that we are consolidating in a kind of bull flag scenario. How could this level play bullish? Okay, we should start thinking of right now. This is all the data we have. Could this if we are trading this in an AB equals CD scenario, this could take us, of course, all the way up to the 1.65, but this is on the 12-hour, so it's actually higher time frame than thinking these short-term scenarios. This is what I'm watching right now. Let's see this. Yes, it's looking pretty much overbought right here. Bearish divergence continuation, and this is on the 1-hour chart. So I don't see this actually breaking right now. I wish it could, but it's most likely gonna come and reverse to the downside. I wish it could break to the upper side, but doesn't look like we are heading up there. This is all I see. Is pretty much similar pattern playing out in every level. Okay, so it's very nice. We are breaking, we are holding up here. This is very good for Bitcoin. And let's jump a little bit to the DXY to see what this has to actually show. Okay, so this was what I was expecting, guys. DXY bearish news means bullish news for Bitcoin. So that's what I see right here. I'm very happy it got rejected at this point. You see this line is what I pulled from before. I was just expecting that this level can come and break, reject, so we can follow all the way down. The only good scenario and the best one is that this kind of upside trend and ascending broadening wedge, I wish it could break to the downside. It has to break to the downside. Why? Because if this is going to be a retrace, so we can confirm this kind of W pattern right here. Okay, we tried to pass one time, tried to pass second time. This is overextension, first of all. So this means that this W is getting pretty much rejected. And this one has been paid out. This double bottom scenario is almost paid out. It doesn't have the power to go any further up. So this is bullish. So, but the thing we should see right now is this breaking to the downside and break also this line. And second of all, this support line to the downside. This is what we should see, so we can see Bitcoin breaking major resistance levels and watching new all-time highs. This is all we should see right now. That's all about today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked tonight's session. I wish you a great week. I wish you a great month, and see you in the next one of Crypto Minder.